Scott's Kitchen. You know, I was just sitting here on my kitchen floor when I realized daylight savings time just changed and I haven't updated the clock on my Ilve Majestic. If you want to know how to do that, all you do is take two fingers, press both of the little pot buttons, and then just adjust your time up or down with the plus or minus keys. Nothing to it. And while you're down here, another handy trick is to learn how to adjust the alarm buzzer. The stove has 3 different tones. To change the tone for the alarm, all you do is take the minus key and press it. Hear the 3 tones? And just leave it on whichever one you like the best.